In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wix support, also known as Wix customer service. Whether you're running into a technical issue, need help navigating your account, or have questions about building your site, reaching out to Wix support can provide the answers and guidance you need. Wix offers various ways to get help, from self-service resources to direct assistance, and knowing how to access them can save you time and frustration. So, let's walk through this process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get the support you need from Wix. Let's dive in. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your credentials, your email and password to access your account. This is an important step, because Wix support is tailored to your specific account and website. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. This dashboard is like the control center for all your Wix websites and account settings, so you'll be spending a lot of time here. Now that you're in your dashboard, the next step is to locate the help option. This is typically found in the top menu bar of your dashboard. Depending on your layout, you might see it in the upper right-hand corner, or it could be tucked away within a drop-down menu. It's labeled as Help, so it should be easy to spot. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to Wix's Support Resources page. Once you're on the Support Resources page, you'll notice a variety of helpful tools and options. Take a moment to scroll through this page here. You'll find support articles and frequently asked questions, commonly referred to as FAQs. These resources are designed to help you troubleshoot common issues or learn about Wix features on your own. If you're someone who likes to solve things independently, this is a great place to start. However, if you've gone through the articles and still need assistance, you'll want to look for the Contact Us option. This is usually located on the same page, and it's your gateway to direct support from Wix. Click on Contact Us, and you'll be directed to a new page where you can choose the type of support you need. On the Contact page, you'll see several options for reaching out to Wix. You can submit a support ticket where you describe your issue in detail and wait for a response via email. Alternatively, you might have the option to chat with a support agent in real time, which can be helpful for quick questions or urgent concerns. Some users may also be able to schedule a call to speak directly with a support representative. Choose the option that works best for you. When reaching out to Wix support, it's important to provide as much relevant information as possible. Be sure to include details about your site, such as its name or URL, and describe the issue clearly. For example, if you're having trouble with your site not loading, mention what steps you've already tried to resolve the issue. The more specific you can be, the easier it will be for Wix support to understand and help resolve your problem efficiently. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to navigate the Wix support system and get the assistance you need, whether it's through their help articles or directly from a support agent. Remember, Wix is here to help you succeed, so don't hesitate to reach out when you need guidance. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.